Good morning, student. Welcome to all of you in the online class conducted by the BPS school. Now, our current running chapter is sets. Now, today our topic is operations on sets. So, students, in the real number system, we have already studied about these four fundamental operations. This is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Similarly, in the concept of sets, so there are some operations. First is union of sets. It is denoted by this symbol U. U for union, and intersection of sets. Intersection of sets means the symbol of this intersection is represented like this, reverse of the U, right? इसका symbol ये है. Difference of sets, डिफरेंस का साइन यही है जो रियल नंबर में उधर माइनस का था, सब्ट्रैक्शन का. एंड थर्ड इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए सेट फॉर कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए सेट. तो देयर आर फोर ऑपरेशंस. ये ऑपरेशंस कहलाते हैं, जिसको यहाँ पर ऑपरेटर कहते हैं हम. इनको अप्लाई करने के लिए वी हैव रिक्वायर्ड एटलीस्ट टू सेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर देयर आर टू सेट्स ए एंड बी, तो देन देयर यूनियन इज रिटन लाइक दिस, ए यूनियन बी. अब व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस ऑपरेशन? I will define now. Okay. Similarly, intersection of the sets, तो we have required two operands. किसी भी ऑपरेशन को, किसी भी ऑपरेटर को अप्लाई करने के लिए we have required at least two operands. तो these are two operands. इनके ऊपर अप्लाई किया गया. जैसे रियल नंबर में क्या था, 2 and 3 प्लस, राइट? तो these are called the operands, and this is called the operator. ठीक. तो कम से कम एटलीस्ट टू नंबर्स वी हैव रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अप्लाइंग दीज ऑपरेटर्स. तो सिमिलरली यूनियन, फॉर अप्लाइंग द यूनियन दिस ऑपरेटर वी हैव रिक्वायर्ड टू सेट्स, राइट? सिमिलरली intersection means that if there are two sets, so then their intersection is written like this. What is the definition? I will define it. Similarly, difference of two sets A minus B. What is the meaning of this? Define it now. And complement of a set, इसको डिनोट करने के लिए केवल एक ही सेट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑफ सेट इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस. इस तरह से इसको लिखते हैं, या सेट ए और उसके ऊपर सी कर देते हैं, सी फॉर कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट. तो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट्स, इसको भी अब डिफाइन करेंगे. ओके, राइट स्टूडेंट? तो नो दीज आर द फोर फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस ऑन द सेट्स. नाउ आई विल डिस्क्राइब देम वन बाय वन. ओके, तो टेकिंग द फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन, यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स. तो नाउ आई विल tell you what is the definition of the union two sets. So first is union of the union of two sets, राइट? अब यूनियन मीन्स कंबाइंड, एग्रीगेट करना, उनको मर्ज करना, राइट? तो क्या होता है इसमें? फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर वी हैव टू सेट्स ए बी एंड सी, and another set B having its two elements 1 and 2. Right? Before describing the definition of this union, right? So we take an example. With the help of this example, we will define the definition of this union. Now A and B, these are the two sets. So their union, A union B, write the set here, A, B and C, union 1 and 2. Okay, right? Now, what is the meaning of this? A, B, C, 1 and 2. इनको कंबाइंड किया और कंबाइंड करने पर ये आपका, तो ये यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स. Okay, so this is the union, A union B. तो इसमें क्या हो जाए, A union B में all the elements of the set A and all the elements of the set B. A और B दोनों सेट्स के एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइंड किया, राइट द ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द बोथ सेट्स A and B. So now the definition of this set is, if two non-empty sets, non-empty भी हटाइए, if two sets are A and B, then their union is written as A union B and is defined as A union B as X such that X belongs to the set A or X belongs to the set B. That is, A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to the set A and X belongs to the set B. So this is the definition of the union, right? So what is the meaning of this set? This is the set builder 4, right? X means all elements of the X which are either in the set A or in the set B. या तो A set में element हो या B में, right? So write down them in this set, so then it will becomes union of two sets A and B, right? Now through the Venn diagram of this Venn diagram में make a rectangular box. This box represent to the universal set, and now taking two sets A and B set, A set and B set, so then their union, all elements of this set तो दिस सेट रिप्रेजेंट टू द ए यूनियन बी। तो दिस इज द ए यूनियन बी को। तो यहां पर क्या है, ए एंड बी बोथ सेट्स आर सेपरेट डिसजॉइंट सेट्स है। U, this is your A set and this is your B set, right? Both set having some elements common. In this diagram में draw the two circles intersecting to each other. Here we have drawn two circles separate, right? तो A and B both sets are disjoint set. So now what will be the union in this condition? Right? So this represent to the A union B. So this shaded region denote to the union of two sets A and B. For example, it is your example. Taking two sets A with elements A, B, C and another set containing its elements 1 and 2. So then their union A union B is equal to union of this set and this set. Result is write all the elements of A set and B set. So it will be the union of two sets A and B, right? Next, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. By taking two A sets, right? The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements, is the set of all elements that are common, the set of all the elements common to both, common to both A, common to both A and B. So the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B, and we represent the intersection, we represent the intersection of sets A and B as A intersection B, and defined as X such that all the elements X which is in the both set X belong to A and X belong to B. So hence, we have A intersection B is equal to x such that x belong to the set A and x belong to the set B. So this is the intersection of, right? So the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to the both A and B, and we represent the intersection of two sets A and B like this: A and this sign is the intersection, A intersection B. And what will be the definition? And defined as x such that x should be in the set A as well as in the set B. यानी x जो एलिमेंट है वो शुड बी कॉमन, कॉमन होना चाहिए दोनों सेट में. तो therefore A union B, A intersection B will be equal to the this set. Now, to explain more clear with the help of an example, taking an example for this intersection. Now, taking a set A whose elements are A, B, C and D. Another set B, M, N, E, C and A, like this. Okay. So now their intersection, A intersection B, write the set A, B, C and D, intersection M, N, E, C, A, C, A. Okay. Now, according to the definition, common to both A and B. So, what elements are common in the both sets? A is common, A is here and is also here. So, therefore, A, write down the A element. Similarly, B element is the common, sorry, C element is the common. So, write down C here. So, it is your A intersection B. Right? अब इसका वेन डायग्राम के थ्रू कैसे डिनोट करते हैं इसको? टेकिंग ए रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स, draw a circle A, draw another circle B. This circle represent to the set A and this circle represent to the set B. अब common elements are AC, so this portion is your common, so write the AC here and accept these two elements of each set, write in the separate. तो AC accept A and C, तो B and D write here like this, and accept A and C in the set B, the remaining elements M and E, so write them here M, N and E. Now, if you consider the A set, so then all the four elements A, B, C, D, right? When considering the B set, so then its all elements will be A, C, N, E and M. Right, student? Now, common portion, intersecting portion, this is the common A and C. So this is your A intersection B. Right? अब इसका वेन डायग्राम, तो ये इसका कॉमन इंटरसेक्शन आएगा. दिस इज इज कॉमन इंटरसेक्शन. राइट? तो ये पोर्शन इसका कॉमन. तो इट इज द वेन डायग्राम. थ्रू द वेन डायग्राम, तो इट इज डिफाइंड इंटरसेक्शन एंड बाय द मैथमेटिकल द इंटरसेक्शन इज दिस. A intersection B is equal to set of A and C. तो स्टूडेंट इट इज योर इंटरसेक्शन. अब इसका वेन डायग्राम, व्हाट इज द वेन डायग्राम? इट्स तो ड्रॉ two circles intersecting to each other named by A and B, enclosed both within rectangular box which denote to the universal set U, right here U. So then this portion is the common, this portion is also the part of this set, and this common region is also the part of this set. So this common section represent to the A intersection B. A intersection B. So this is the Venn diagram of the intersection. So in the examination, you can define your definition through the Venn diagram or either through the mathematical expression, right? So another difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Third is difference of two sets. Okay. Now, the difference of two sets, okay, the difference of two sets A and B is denoted by A minus B and is defined by all those elements which are in the set A but not in the set B. Difference means इस सेट के अंदर वे those elements are put up in this set, यानी in the difference of A minus B, which are the elements in the set A but not in the set B. So we have A minus B is equal to X such that X is the element of the set A and X is not the element of the set B. It means इसके अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स आएंगे वे केवल X सेट के आएंगे, B के नहीं आएंगे. Okay. Now its Venn diagram. We draw the two circles in a rectangular box. This is A set and this is your B set, right? Now A minus B, so this portion ये जो शेडेड रीजन है, दिस शेडेड पोर्शन रिप्रेजेंट टू द A minus B. A minus B. ओके, तो दिस इज A minus B. इसमें से A सेट में से B के एलिमेंट को आउट किया, एक्सक्लूड कर दिया, excluding all those elements from the set A which are in the set B. For example, taking this example A with element A, B, C, D and another set B with elements M, N, E, C, A. So then their difference ए माइनस बी, इसको ए माइनस बी नहीं रीड करेंगे, इसको ए डिफरेंस बी। तो ए डिफरेंस बी, राइट द सेट ए बी सी डी माइनस अनदर सेट एम एन ई सी ए। Okay, now its answer is according to the definition। अब ए सेट के एलिमेंट चेक करने हैं। ए सेट के ऑल दोज एलिमेंट्स ऑफ दिस सेट आर रिटन हियर, all the elements of the set A right here which are not the element of the set B। Now check them one by one, taking the first element A in this set, A is also in the set B, तो so A will not be here, A को नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, क्योंकि A इसमें भी है इसमें भी है, कॉमन एलिमेंट नहीं आएंगे इसमें। टेकिंग द अनदर एलिमेंट B, B is the element of the set A as well as of the set root। B is present in the set A but not present in the set B, इसमें तो नहीं है ना, तो write the B here। Check the third element C, present here, also present in this set, तो no, C will not be present here। Another D इस सेट में है, D is not present here, तो then write the D। This is your answer। तो इसमें क्या है, whose element of this set B, which set this element is, A सेट का, D A सेट का, तो सारे एलिमेंट्स A सेट के प्रेजेंट हो गए। ये रहा इसका वेन डायग्राम, वेन डायग्राम से और क्लियर हो जाएगा। This is your A set and this is your another B set। Okay, तो write here A and C। Now taking B and D here, M, N and E here, तो what will be A minus B, तो A minus B is this portion। तो this is A minus B। अब in this part, in this section, what elements are B and D, B and, okay, so it is your answer। So it is your difference of the sets। Okay, now taking the fourth operation, disjoint set। तो डिसजॉइंट सेट में फोर, disjoint sets, the two sets A and B are said to be disjoint, are said to be disjoint if they have no common element। they have no common elements. They have no common elements. Right? So in this way, that is yeah, or another definition. Two sets capital A and B are said to be disjoint, I double F A intersection B is equal to null set. नल सेट का मतलब उनके इंटरसेक्शन में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं आएगा. टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल, एक सेट ए, कंसीडर ए सेट ए बी सी, अनदर सेट बी ई एफ, राइट. तो देन check their intersection. So is any common element? No, no element is common. So this is your only braces sign. ठीक है. तो no element will be present here. तो intersection A and B, so this is called the null set. Phi. So this is the intersection of, so disjoint set of two sets. Now through the Venn diagram, this is your universal set A and this is your B set. Elements of the set A, B, C, and element of this set B, E and F. A, B, C and E, F. Okay. So this is the disjoint set. Okay. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Next topic is fifth, symmetric difference. Important topic है. Symmetric difference. एक तो सिंपल डिफरेंस था, डिफरेंस ऑफ टू सेट्स. एक है सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस. सिमेट्रिक मीन्स कैसे भी. तो सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस में क्या है? It means the symmetric difference of sets A and B is represented as A symmetric difference B and is defined as A minus B union B minus A. So we have asymmetric difference of B, A minus B union B minus A. It is your symmetric difference. Now what will be the Venn diagram of this definition? Venn diagram. Draw the rectangle box, right, and taking two circles. This is your A set and this is your B set. So now A minus B, so this portion will be over A minus B, B minus A, it will be over B minus A. Yani this portion and this portion इन दोनों की यूनियन. तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस डायग्राम? सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस में जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स होंगे ए और बी के, जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है उनको एक्सक्लूड कर दीजिएगा, बाकी ए और बी सेट के एलिमेंट लिख दो सब. ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट ए and all the elements of the set B which are not common, excluding them, so then the remaining elements will denote to the symmetric difference of two sets. Taking an example, so this is the symmetric difference, right? So its union A union B, यानी ये जो आएगा इसका ये पोर्शन एंड ये पोर्शन A minus B, B minus A. This is your symmetric difference. A triangle का साइन B, right? Example. It's example taking A another set B, right? So what will be the symmetric difference in symmetric difference of B? तो इन दोनों में चेक द कॉमन एलिमेंट्स, उनको एक्सक्लूड कर दो. तो हेयर C एंड D कॉमन एलिमेंट्स, तो एक्सक्लूडिंग दीज टू एलिमेंट्स C एंड D, राइट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट A except these two. So A and B will be here, and excluding C and D from this set B, the remaining elements will be M and N, so write them also here. So this is your symmetric difference, right? You can find A minus B, you can find A minus B. तो यहाँ पर ले लीजिएगा इसको. What will be the A minus B? A minus B में क्या आएगा? A and B एलिमेंट. B minus A में क्या आएगा? M and N एलिमेंट. तो what will be their union? A minus B union B minus A. Combined both elements A, B, M and N. So which is equal to this set. So this is your symmetric difference. It is called the symmetric difference of two sets. Okay students. So now union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets, disjoint sets, complement of a sets, and symmetric difference of the two sets. So these topics are discussed with you today. Now, related their problems, we'll discuss with you tomorrow, right? So today clearly understand these topics, learn them with the help of an example, or then in the next class we will attempt the problems.